Okay, Oreo, where are you? Well, I see your tail. Hi, baby. What you doing? You gonna come out? He's such a good boy. Oh, where's he going? See something out the window? What you doing, sweetheart? You just gonna lay down? Oh, you're a good boy. He's so silly. Okay, I wanted to share also, not the cat box. I wanted to share, I've been trying to work on some crafts for this fall. This actually, let me step back a second. This is my spare bedroom. I have a nice bed here when company comes. I also call this my library. All that over there is crafting. But I have a lot of books. And my desk where of course we do everything. And I wanted to share this wreath I made. Let me put it where you can see it better. I am the biggest Dollar Tree fan. I love Dollar Tree. So in their Halloween stuff, they had this Halloween mesh, and I bought one of their wreaths, watched some YouTube tutorials, and made this wreath. And then I kind of ran out of the mesh right in here. I just sort of wrapped it and went back and got some fall leaves and berries and ribbon to kind of complete it. And I really like it like that. It, I guess you could hang it any direction. Oreo's coming in here to visit. Hi, baby. He's got to be with me all the time. This mesh from Dollar Tree was very difficult to work with. It stuck to each other. It was just a mess. So this is definitely not perfect, but you know, it'll do the job. Tell me what you think. Have you made some wreaths with some of their mesh? I'm not real happy with it. I do a lot of Dollar Tree shopping. It's just my favorite place to wander around lately. Oreo. You're such a good boy. Sorry, I know I have my kitty voice that I put on. Where are we gonna go now? Where are we gonna go now? Another thing I wanted to talk about. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. Let me turn on a light. When I moved into my mobile home, I've lived here over 20 years. My mobile home is a 1966, so we're talking 55 years old. And when I first moved in, the floor was avocado green, the stove was avocado green, the sink was avocado green, the refrigerator, the oven, everything was avocado green. It was horrible. And of course, nothing was painted like this. And my backsplash and everything is paint, because I do things on a budget. And this was a stencil, and it took me maybe about 3 or 4 days. I did the whole bar underneath, and I've been really happy with it. I painted all my kitchen cabinets, and kind of just made them sort of a distressed look. I tried to make them like an old world, rustic look. I left the cabinet door off of that one. Just thought I'd have it open with some large baskets for cookbooks. So I thought I would just share with you how you can buy a really older place and make it your own. And I've always felt like this is my place. I can do whatever I want in the style that I want. Now, my style may not be your style, and that's okay. We all have our thing. I know for some, I'm very cluttered. For me, I have out essentially everything that I need to use. Oh, there's Oreo at the window. Here also is my dining room table again. And this was probably my last and most recent project, was painting my buffet. It's built in, it came this way in the house, and I had painted it the same beige color as the walls, but I hated it. So I got Rust-Oleum. Gosh, I can't remember which black color it was called. And it was a flat black color, and I painted it all with a paintbrush and roller. And then I tried to put some wax on top of it, and it just was not working for me. So I got some Old English oil and rubbed that on it, and believe it or not, it gave it a finish that I like. And it's very rustic also. The glass in the doors is the same that has always been there, but I thought it went pretty well with all my yellow extras that I have around. Well, that's just a real quick kitchen tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me see, Oreo, do you want to say goodbye? Tell everybody be kind. Have a good day, everyone.